We got the 950 CFM Beast. Let's spread it all out. That ain't good. This is absolutely nuts. Holy cow, look at the size of that guy. That is insane. Look at all of them. And if you look all the way down, this is my neighbor's lawn, but I got it over here. Let's go take a look. Cleaning video turned into a grub killing video. We're gonna just tear up all this, throw it in a wagon, get rid of this material. And as you can see, or this hoe, this ain't a hoe, this is a, I don't know. Wow, look at this. This comes up so easy. Oh, it broke. Woo. All right, so here's the plan. And I don't want to like go into my neighbor's yard because like she's got them all over her yard as well. Like her whole yard is one giant grub. They're just like, look at this spot right here. This is like insane. Like how many, I've never seen grubs like this. Topical spray right now. Tomorrow, double dethatch the front yard, tear it all up, plant some seed, you know, that way something can grow and it doesn't look totally horrific during winter and spring. And then, yeah, let's do it. I may or may not have went a little heavy. I'll tell you this, when this hits them, they squirm. All right, it is the next day, and let's take a look at our mess here. And as we can see here, just spraying. Got them right there. Those guys are dead. Yeah, so now we're about to go and dethatch all of this. So I'm actually gonna use the SunJoe. It's the only thing that has the Skyfire blades on it. I lost the attachment to my Senex one, so that just has the rake. I wanna dig into this and tear up everything that I can. So let's get to it. Look at that. Oh God, this is gonna be so many bags. All right, everyone's favorite part, cleaning it up. Put it into bags, and then we're gonna get the Senex mower out, go over it, bag it all. After that, we're gonna spray it with the imidacloprid, and then we're gonna overseed it. That's the plan, let's go. See if this works. Nailed it. Let's see this one. There we go. How about this one? Oh, nailed it. 6 so far. Now we go and get the mower. This is gonna get dusty. Dusty Dinkling. It's probably gonna be the most even cut this lawn's ever seen. This is gonna be a lot, but we're gonna be clear for seed. Oh! Don't work with your mouth open. Hit another one. Ding, 7 bags. Hopefully this last bag will be good for here. Still gotta do the other side. Boom. Now I'm gonna spray for the grubs because we are gonna be seeding. And why not put the seed down. And I got green dye to kind of cover up how trashy this looks. So we're gonna mix the green dye in with the grub killer, spray that down and water it in. And then now when we put the seed down, we gotta water anyways. It says to keep the soil moist for 7 to 10 days with the grub killer. And that is what's up. Tomorrow I gotta go to the store. I'm just gonna get the crappy seed that probably has weed seeds in it, but there's weeds already in here, and we're gonna throw all that down. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Man, I hope this 5 makes it. Actually, I got some potting soil in the back that I'm gonna mix in with this. Oh. Cover it. This shed, don't judge me, I have not gotten in here. We got this unmarked stuff, another bag of unmarked stuff, which is the perennial ryegrass. Man, this is a freaking maze. Oh man, we have to clear this out. Too much shit in here. This and a rake, we should be good. Let's go. All right, let's throw down this topsoil, get this seed down, and put some Simple One solutions on it. First things first, let's make our little mixture. Now, here's our screen dirt. Give this a little mixy poo here. I'm not trying to level. This isn't the end all, be all. This is working out good. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. See, nothing fancy. That's it. That's all we want. Right there, man. That whole part is done. We're gonna get there and then all the way out there. This is good enough for me. I like it. Hopefully you guys are doing good in your renovations right now. I think today is like September 9th or something like that. Like I'm behind. I gotta get this done because I got my golf league coming up and I'm in first place, baby, with my teammate. He's for sure a sandbagger. It's cool, Mike, if you're watching. Suck it. This is the last of the dirt and it's gonna take it all right here. I'm telling you, if you own a pool or if you ever think about getting a pool, don't. And then if you have a pool, you should probably just like either close it or fill it up with dirt like this and plant seed on top of it. Those things are just an absolute nightmare. Don't tell my wife I said that. She'll get mad at me. I love taking care of the pool. I love the extra cost, problems that it comes with. I think it has a freaking leak. I gotta find it. So I'm now grass man, pool man. There we go, ladies. Boom. What up? Let's seed. First, we're gonna go around the whole yard and hit these bare spots super heavy. And then we'll go back and spread all this. Old fashioned, do it by hand. If we get crowding, don't care, because anything is better than what we had before. This is so much seed. I've never used this much in my life. This is so cool. This is actually fun. This spreader sucks. Charles Walters, I don't know who that guy is, but this thing's garbage. If anyone wants to buy, I know it's super expensive. If you want it, you can have it. DM me. We have Simple Lawn Solutions, my go-to. We are doing the 318-18 propylconazole mix here. Darker one over here. They sent me a bunch of hose end sprayers because they didn't have the big one, the big dog. This is a special edition. I don't want to show you what it is because I don't think they have this one. You want to see it? What? All this stuff is like starter fertilizer. Now we have to agitate, and I left that in the barn all the way a mile away from here. Man, I swear, I don't know about any of you guys. If you're doing lawn care, does it seem like every time you're out there, it's like it just goes wrong? You don't have enough seed, you don't have enough dirt, you get too many phone calls. If you want to cry, then I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's my body and I'll do what I want. So we got 318-18, a little extra secret sauce in there from Simple Lawn Solutions, and we got propylconazole, and we got 5 hot days coming up. Perennial ryegrass. I got this thick droplet tip, so that's another thing. If anyone wanted to complain about what I'm wearing, this thing ain't misting, it's throwing fat drops down, because that's how I like to do it. I like the thick boys. This is about it, guys. I'm gonna finish up that other side, and then now we just gotta give this time. Oh my, look at that. I want to say it is September 20th right now, and we're in. Perennial ryegrass is fantastic for stuff like this. We're like 10, 11 days in here, and it actually just rained, but it hasn't rained. I've been using my sprinklers, and fantastic. Take a look at the other spot. Chopow! Look at that. All nice and grown in once again. We when you see the problem, we got to fix it. You know, I really didn't want to, but like, it's not really that hard. It took me like 2 like partial days worth of work. And then the one that I sod rolled, it's going to look kind of funny, but check this out. So this side is not irrigated, and this still, you can see the easy straw in here, but this is all filling in. I know it looks like trash because this is all weeds anyways, but I got baby grass all in here. I watered it like a handful of times, but this is coming in. So by the time like real fall hits here, then this will all be looking at least filled in, and we're not looking at nasty sods. But let me show you one more thing. And what I didn't add in the beginning was I actually had grub damage here. I got rid of the bent grass out of here and I thought it was healing, but it turns out there was baby grubs all in here, and this was all nasty, like starting to like, I thought it was just healing. It was like dead because it's where the bent grass was. It turns out that's where the worms were, and or the grubs. And now we reseeded, put the 318-18, and we are looking lush. So now all we got to do is get I'm going to put some 2800 simple lawns with some iron out there, green it up, and then we'll get a cut on it, and it's like nothing ever even happened. So the moral of the story is that I was lazy because I was focusing in on my other renovations. I neglected other big sections, and I didn't put down grub killer. And if you did get hit with it, don't be a baby about it. You just got to get in there, tear it up, spray the grub killer down. I'm a huge fan of the liquid opposed to the granular. Granular takes too long to break down. Spray it, water it in, and then throw some seed down with it, because you got to keep the seed moist. You got to keep the soil moist for the grub killer stuff. So, all right, guys, hopefully you learned something, and take a look. 10 days. It's like nothing even happened. So subscribe to the channel. I got some new toys coming up, and we got the putting greens. We're about ready to start cutting them and putting some holes in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.